Welcome back to everyone in another Laxmi video. Today is dedicated to a gear shaper from one of the best Italian manufacturers in the world. We're talking about DEMM company, and this is what they can offer. When we bought this beautiful machine, it was still working and producing perfect arbors for the company. You can see it by yourself how well it works. Even the operator used the machine with extremely fast and easy moves. All the pieces that produce are perfect, and all the tools available with the purchase of this machine that for now is available in our Italian warehouse where it can be shipped worldwide. Please contact us for more details. We are always available for our clients. If you are new, you can know more about us over our website at www.laxmiusedmachine.com. After a fast cleanup, the shaper is ready to produce another piece with precision and performance. The table diameter is 360 millimeters, but it has a maximum workpiece diameter of 400 millimeters. Enough talking, now let's watch the machine creating a new gear arbor. All our contacts are here and in the description. Remember to leave a like if you watched all the video, and if you want, leave a comment with what you think about the video. Thank you for watching. We will come back very soon with a new video.